In today's video, we're going to show you how you can find remote jobs online. Now, I've been asked, obviously, I want to earn money online, but I don't really want to do surveys. I don't really want to watch videos or play games or anything like that. So this is going to be a short video showing you some websites where you can go and sign up and try and get some remote jobs online. So we're just going to shoot through the names of the websites. So it's going to be a very quick video. So stay tuned right to the very end, get all the names, and then you've got choices where you can go and sign up for them and then start to get some remote jobs online. Okay, so let's hop over and go through them straight away. Okay, like I said, these are just websites that you can get, and you can also search these online. This is just a quick list of about half a dozen websites which shows you how to find remote jobs online. So as you can see here, the first one is Angel List Talent, and that is you can get that at angel.com, angel.co, and then you literally just sign up, and then you can log in to find jobs. And it says here startup jobs for startup talent you can't find anywhere else. Okay, so the second one, now these are in no particular order. So the second one we've got here, Jobspresso. Okay, so again, it says here work remotely from anywhere. It says expert curated remote jobs in tech, marketing, customer support, and more. Okay, so you can always. It says we want to reach 100,000 remote workers. Okay, again, you literally just click on register for an account, and then go and sign in, and then you can apply for different jobs. So the third one is called remote.co, and again, this is all things remote, so you can find jobs, post jobs, and learn about remote work as well. They've obviously got 144 companies, these people that are obviously on this website. Again, another one that you can actually go and sign up for, and there's nothing wrong with actually signing up probably for all of these, because you might find there are different jobs on each one. Okay, so the next one we've got is called Nodesk, but again, this is where everyone works remote, and you can also get jobs on this one as well. Okay, so just click once you've signed up, you can click on the remote jobs, and then obviously you can find stuff there. Now this one is called remotive.com, and it says here again you've got job applicants, employees, and all the jobs here are listed on this website here, and you can apply for various different ones. So again, another one, and you've obviously got here worldwide, USA only, or other locations. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, you should be able to find some remote work on some of these jobs. Another one here called remoteok.com. As you can see, they have hiring remotely and reach 1.8 million remote workers. And this apparently, they are calling this the #1 remote job board. So this is a good one to obviously check it out straight away. And it says 19 new jobs posted today. And again, you can put worldwide, compact, etc. So again, these are all done worldwide. The last one is called workq.com, and it says here the best jobs to work remotely, developer, marketing, design, writing, customer support, and more. Again, you literally just sign up for your account, and you've also got things like marketing, development, operations, design, customer service, all sorts here, writing and other work from home jobs. And they've also got crypto jobs here as well, so that's obviously very on trend at the moment. So as you can see here, we've got 6 or 7 good websites that have been going a while, and you can sign up for and actually find remote jobs online. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.